John's Moto Garage, the entire crew is going to pick up a moto today. And apparently we're bringing the whole house with us. Let's go, you guys, come on. Hey, open the door. We got a very light drizzle. Hopefully there's nothing gnarly coming down when we actually get out there. So I gotta take this sucker for a spin if we buy it. Hopefully everything checks out. Oh, grabbing our gear. Come on, buddy. Uh-oh, you're not sitting up here, dude. Alright, ¿qué pasó, amigos? John's Moto Garage. We're checking out the CBR. And you may be wondering, why the heck is there no bike in sight? Well, the bike's parked over in front of the bank. And as I'm running over here to grab my gear, it dawns on me that this dude has my cash. He still has his title. And he's got the keys to the bike. So if he had wanted to, he could have dipped out. I'll probably zip it up and down real quick just to shift through the gears. Shouldn't be too long. Roll through the parking lot first, kind of get our feel for this thing. So naturally, I just got rid of the FC09. So I can't go more than like a day without having some crazy fast bike in the garage. And so here we are, checking out a CBR1000RR. Had my eye on this for a little while. It's a 2016. I saw on the title, but I think he had it listed as a 2015. I may be mistaken, but I think he had it listed as a 2015 in the ad. Just getting my bearings. Haven't been on a leader bike in quite some time.
Picking up motorcycles is not a glamorous thing. I feel like we've been waiting in the car for probably 30 minutes. And we're getting restless. We've got one sleeper still.
We won't go crazy here, but we'll get on it a little bit, make sure. Oh yeah, it's a real bike, you guys. It works. Front brakes are solid, rear brakes feel pretty solid. Oh man, this is gonna be something. Like I said, I haven't been on a leader bike in quite some time. I've personally never owned a leader bike that I use personally for commuting, but these things are so quick and smooth and powerful. Fun bikes, for sure. Reminds me of the FC09. This looks like out of a Halloween movie, the way those trees are set up. So yeah, the story, most people with sport bikes will not let you do a test ride without cash in hand, which is totally understandable. And I've even encountered most people won't even let you ride the bike unless you've basically purchased it. Now this one, after looking at it in person, I didn't expect any issues with it, and so I basically said, yeah, I'll buy the bike, you know, as long as there's nothing crazy when I take it for the test ride, consider it sold, you know, which is cool. I want to find a place up here where I can pull off and show you guys the bike. It's only got 8,624 miles, so barely broken in. The dude has a new rear tire on it, and aside from that, your basic oil changes. Not a whole lot else with these bikes that you're gonna have. And he said he used it for commuting. He doesn't strike me as the dude who's gonna be out, you know, beating the bike up, doing crazy wheelies or anything. And for a sport bike, these things for commuting are awesome because you just have so much power. They're so smooth, so responsive. All right, I'm gonna jump off on the side of this road here, give you guys a quick look at the bike, and we'll get back over there. I got the wife and kids hanging out in the car.
We've been in the car we've been parked for probably an hour, 50 minutes. I have no idea where John is.
And there she is. Yeah, it's a 2016, you see right there. Beautiful bike.
I don't know if he stole the motorcycle.
Oh man, I love these.
I don't know if that guy knocked him out and stole his cash.
Yeah, these things are dope. I like these. Man, look at that.
Or if he crashed on his test ride, but
I didn't notice anything indicating that the bike has been down or dropped, and he says he never dropped it. Everything looks good, beautiful. I like the black. It's the matte black, the gray, stock exhaust. This is a 2016. I've wanted to get one of these for a long time. I'm very stoked to finally have my hands on one. Fork seals are good. They're not cracked. They're not leaking. Nothing like that. Front tire is the original. He only replaced the rear because he said he got a flat. Real quick, I'm gonna snap a couple pictures here.
I don't know if he's alive.
I'm digging it for sure. I love the emblems. All right, let me get back over there before they start freaking out.
We need to get out of here.
I'm excited for this purchase on the garage, John's Moto Garage. As long as I don't kill myself, I think it should be good. Oh man, this thing is too fun. Sorry it took so long. I went out that way and then I couldn't find a spot to turn around, but
I thought you were going to the freeway or something like that.
no, yeah, I stayed on surface streets, but oh man, this thing is,
It's new.
yeah, it runs great. All right, I got the title. We got it notarized. It cost us $10, so don't haggle me for not wearing my gloves. Looks like the kids woke up.
See him.
This transaction took a lot longer than I prefer, but it's a good bike, it's a good deal.
Was it worth it? Was it worth sitting in the car for an hour? Time will tell. Here's our sketchy setup. They are so ready to go home. So was it worth it, John?
Terrible. Well, only time will tell, but that was a really cool guy. It was a pleasure doing business with him, and it was a great deal on the Moto, so I think it'll be a good one. We'll see. There she is. What a beauty. I'm a big fan of this. Looks better in person than in the photos. Looks pretty dope. Alright, that's gonna do it. John's Moto Garage. As always, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you dig this bike, stay tuned. We'll have more videos with it. I'll do my ride and impressions. We'll do our good old walk around, all that fun stuff here on the channel. I don't know yet what my plans are going to be for this bike, if I'll hang on to it or if I'll turn around and sell it. I'm just not sure yet. You can get yourself into a lot of trouble with one of these, that's for sure. But time will tell. John's Moto Garage, we'll hit you guys up on the next one. Nos vemos.